Yes, Lord. Help me to love you more. Help me to see you more. Help me to be you more. It's by your strength. It's by your power. It's by your will. It's by your strength, Lord. To see you more clearly. Oh, love you more dearly. Follow you more nearly. Day by day. To see you more clearly. Love you more dearly. Follow thee more dearly. Day by day. My creed every day is to see Riano Kiano Celebele Diana Bayada. To see you more clearly, Lord. To love you more dearly. Yana Bayada. Follow thee more dearly. Day by day. How can you walk when you don't know the ways of the wind? How can you run when you don't know the ways of the Spirit? How can you fly when you don't know the ways of the wind? It's changing everything in obedience to Christ. Changing everything in obedience to Christ. So tell me, how can you walk when you don't know the ways of the Father? How can you see when you're blind to the things of the Spirit? How can you hear when you've turned deaf ears to the Father? How can you be all of Him when you're far away from the Father? But He's changing everything in obedience to Christ. All it is your heart. You need your heart. You need your heart. Will you give Him your heart today? Will you give Him your heart today? How can you walk when you don't know the way of the Father? How can you walk when you know nothing about the Father? How can you grow when you don't study and eat His word? Today, swallow your pride. Brother, swallow your pride. Sister, swallow your pride and come to the school of the Spirit. Because it's changing everything in obedience to Christ. How can you walk when you don't know the ways of the wind? How can you run when you don't know the ways of the Spirit? Nothing about the Spirit, you know. How can you fly when you don't know the way of the wind? How can you claim you love the Lord when you far from doing the things of the Lord? You need to swallow your pride and come closer, Ripatu, concluri kifaria nasute, ikali ranataya manando selebele de gelebele debe. Swallow your pride. Come to the school of the Spirit. Let Him teach you His ways. Let Him put you through. Enough of being Christian with your mouth, whereas your mind is far away. Enough to see you more clearly. That should be your creed. Love you more dearly, dearly. Follow thee more dearly. Day by day, day by day, day by day, day by day, you know Jesus. Day by day, not that you skip knowing Him. Today you come close to Him, tomorrow you come close to Him. Not that today you come to Him all because of what you want from Him. No, you come close to Him. Maraka is a step-by-step journey. But you don't just become something overnight. Even on the physical, you don't just become somebody overnight. Same thing, there is a step for you to take. It's a step-by-step journey. You study the word today, you pray today, you study the word today, you become. like Jesus. Sorata pata kalabaradaba shaladaba. Help me to love you more. Help me to see you more. Yerusalatisa. Help me to luriki parata parade pala to grow in the spirit, to grow. Surya baria na 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 na. He said that we will no longer be toast to and fro with every form of doctrine. We will not be toast to and fro anymore. Because we are now sitting with the word, because we have the living water inside of us directing us. To see you more clearly, that's my credo, God. To love you more dearly, to follow you more dearly, day by day.